Well, hello there. Today we're going to draw a bird. These are the supplies that you'll need. Be prepared to stop and draw, or pause and erase, or pause and color. I hope you have all your supplies together, and we're going to start out with a pencil. And the first thing to draw is a oval. First thing to draw is an oval. And then draw a line going through your circle with a longer line in the back and a short line in the front. And then erase with your white eraser the line. So it looks like you have a marshmallow on a stick. And just a little bit sticking out in the front. Now, how is that going to be a bird? Well, here's how. You're going to start right here with just a little tiny peeking out and draw a circle right here. And then you're going to erase behind the head. So that's quite a bit. So I'm going to pause and let you catch up with me. Pause and draw. Do a line that comes up that's about this, almost as wide as his body. A line that comes up like that. And then it goes this direction. So it almost looks like a capital L that's upside down and laying on the back. And then right down here, close to the head, let's do another capital L that's laying the opposite direction and comes back, but it's smaller. So we have two capital L's. Pause and draw that. Start back here at the back of this L and do a little curve and slope back like this, and then a line down to his body. So you have actually two lines, a line here and a line here, that are connected by two curves. And then we're gonna do that same thing upside down here. You're gonna have a line here and a line here, and it's connected with some curves. And then we are going to make a little curve here, kind of make it round looking, just to smooth it out and make it look more bird wingish, kind of round it off and erase the angles on the ends. So I'll let you pause and draw that. Now let's do his tail. We're gonna come out and just make a little half moon down here, or little curve down here, and then a curve that goes back in. And let's make this have, some birds have like a little double tail, so we'll do that to him just to make him a little fancy. And then erase the first line that you drew inside the tail. And erase where the tail meets the body, and come up here and erase and kind of curve the head in so that the head kind of goes like this and up like this. So pause and do that. The tail and curving the head, a nice curvy head and tail. Let's give him a little leg down here, a little foot that's tucked up. So that's just like kind of a capital F with 3 toes and an eye here. And then make his beak a triangle here, a V shape that's attached to his head. Now, so we have some details, the eye, the beak, the foot, and then you can do some little candy cane shapes all along here on the backs of his wings for his feathers. Let's see, candy cane shape. That's kind of hard to draw upside down. And I'm going to bring his wing in a little bit here and erase behind it so it looks like it's in front of the body. So, and then you're going to end up erasing these lines back here. We're going to draw them back in when we get to our ink part. There we go. Now I think I'm going to do, just to make this look like a dove or a peace dove or something, let's make rays of sun come out from it. So start at his body and just do some lines that go out here to the edge of the paper, all the way around. Those will be fun to color. Oh, that looked weird. And then I'm not gonna color, I'm not gonna use my Sharpie on these back lines, but I'm gonna use my Sharpie on my bird, and then I'm gonna color. So come back here, draw all your little details in on your bird. And then a lot of erasing. All the little extra lines that were inside of your bird while you were building them, we're going to erase those off. All right, pause and sketch and erase. Now I'm going to let you watch me color that.